Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find the surface area of this solid. So this is basically number 4 in the type 1 assessment for the volume and surface area of spheres, pyramids, and cylinders. Okay, so this figure is a combination of two basic solids, a cylinder and a cone. And we learn how to find volumes and surface area of these specific figures. But how will this change, or how do you find the volume and the surface area of two figures when they are combined? Okay, so let's focus on the information that we have. We know that the lateral height, the slanted height of the cone is 15, and then we have the height of the cylinder to be 42 and the diameter to be 12. Okay, so for us to find the surface area, that means we have to find this surface of the cone. Now note the circle, this is very important, the circle is inside the figure, so that is not considered a surface. Okay, so if the surface area of a cone can be solved by pi r squared plus 2 pi rl rather, plus pi rl, then that means we are not needing the pi r squared, because the pi r squared is the area of the circle here. But as we look at the diagram, that portion is inside the solid. Okay, so that is not a surface technically in this figure. So the surface that we are now getting is just this side, which is what we call the lateral surface of the cone, and that can be solved by pi rl. In the case of the cylinder, similarly, this top portion of the cylinder, where the two figures are meeting, is not considered a surface because it's inside the figure. So what we need is only this portion, the side area, and the one circled down below. Okay, so if the surface area of a cylinder can be obtained by the formula 2 pi r squared, because we are getting the two circles, so pi r squared is the area of a circle times 2 because we have 2, then plus 2 pi rh. So in this problem, we'll be needing only a single pi r squared, that's just this circle and not this circle, and then plus the area at the side, which is 2 pi rh. So all in all, the surface area that we need, so from the cone, we only need pi rl, and for the cylinder, one circle, the bottom part, and then plus 2 pi rh. Then once we have set that up, all we have to do is to place the corresponding numbers. The radius of the cone is the same as the radius of the cylinder, is 6 because the diameter is 12. So half of the diameter is the radius 6. The L, the slanted height, which is 15, and then plus, again substitute, 6 squared, and then plus 2 pi 6, and the height to be 42. Okay, so and then all you have to do is to find the exact value for this, and that will give you the surface area, and that's 1979.20, and this is in cm meters. Okay, so again 1979.20 m squared. Okay, so that's a big figure or object. Okay, so that's it. That is how you find the surface area of this figure. Okay.